Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. Okay, it's transition some kind of cute. Let's try to create that. At first, we need to add a new slide. In our new slide, we need to format the background and see this thing appear. And from here, you insert your pictures. And after inserting, apply it to all. Then we close it for now. Okay, my hand is slippered. Okay, it's good. Now we need to create these three rectangles. There are nothing special about them. I just simply copy them and paste them. But the important thing about this rectangle is that when you select all of them and going to format this thing, in the shadows, I make the shadows 200%. You see? 200%. But I'm going to align it a little more for the better view. You see, you can change the shadow if you like in the order to achieve what you want. I'm going to increase it in size. Okay, everything is good. Now, the thing I'm going to do is that to create the transition. Before creating the transition, you need this text. I created this text easily. I will show you how. You can create this text by going to shape format and use one of this format, and after that you need to go to text option and choose gradient fill for your fill and choose 3 these colors. Okay, now copy that and one by one bring them out. One, and then copy that and bring one of them out. Then copy that and bring one of them out. Now select all of them and send the transition to more. Now your slide is ready. You see, it looks very beautiful. If you like it, please tell me in the comments, and if you have any question, ask me. I will answer you. Until then, have a nice time.